Is your YouView box not turning on? Don't worry. A simple power reset can often solve the problem. This section will guide you through the process step by step. First, understand that power issues are common with YouView boxes. You might notice no LED lights on the front panel, an LED stuck on amber or orange, or the box appearing completely dead with no response to the remote control. These power issues often stem from three main causes: problems with the external power adapter, internal component failures, or software glitches that prevent proper startup. The most basic solution is a soft reset. Here's the step-by-step procedure. Step 1. Unplug the power cable from the mains and wait for 30 seconds. Step 2. Make sure all connections are secure. Check that cables are properly inserted and there are no loose connections. Step 3. Plug the power cable back in and wait 2 to 3 minutes for the box to fully boot up. This process clears temporary files and can resolve minor software hiccups. According to recent service statistics, a basic power reset has a 65% success rate in resolving power-related issues. This makes it the first thing you should try when experiencing power problems. If the LED light on the front panel is off, stuck on amber or orange, or the box is completely unresponsive, this basic reset is the first thing you should try. It's simple, safe, and often effective. When a basic power reset doesn't resolve your YouView box issues, it's time to try a hard reset. This more intensive procedure can resolve persistent software-related power management problems. First, power off your YouView box completely and unplug it from the mains power for a full 10 minutes. This extended time allows all internal capacitors to fully discharge. Next, hold down the standby button on your remote or on the YouView box itself while you reconnect the power cable. This button is typically located at the top of your remote control. Continue holding the standby button for 10 to 15 seconds after reconnecting the power. This ensures the hard reset sequence is properly initiated. Hard resets are highly effective, resolving software-related issues in approximately 85% of cases. After releasing the button, allow your YouView box to start up normally. If a hard reset doesn't solve the problem, you may need to perform a factory reset. However, be warned, this will permanently erase all your recordings, settings, and personal data. You can access Factory Reset in two ways: through the Settings menu by navigating to Device Management, or by using a specific button combination during the startup process. If both Hard Reset and Factory Reset fail to resolve the issue, the problem likely lies with the power supply itself. This is especially common in YouView boxes that are several years old. Look for signs like bulging capacitors on the circuit board, which indicate component failure. These failing components are shown in red. When replacing the power adapter, always use an original manufacturer's adapter. Ensure the voltage tolerance is within plus or minus 5% and that the current capacity meets or exceeds the original specifications. These advanced reset techniques resolve the majority of persistent YouView box issues. If problems continue after trying these methods, it may be time to consider professional repair or replacement.